Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I have something just a little bit different. It's from a brand I've never heard of before. So I was on Instagram a few months back, like maybe June, and I saw this brand called KiteWares, and they were doing something similar to a foam runner called the Jag Runner, as you can see. And I was kind of interested. I didn't really know what it all was about, and I saw that you could pre-order them. So I went ahead and did it. They were like $100, and so much time went by. Right now it's about to be October. It's like the end of September, and these just came in the mail, and they came in this really cool box, and I totally forgot about them. But we're gonna unbox these and see what it's all about. So taking a look at the box here, you can see it says KiteWares Fossil X Jag Runner. I got these in an 11 just because everything I saw when I ordered these said they run kind of big. And this box is super heavy, so I'm assuming these are gonna be really heavy. The box is kind of cool though. It says Fossil X. It's like a grass with a clear like lid. Taking that off, we got some paper and then the shoe. And yeah, these things are heavy. I would say probably like a Jordan 3, something like that. It weighs something similar. These things really got some weight to them. But taking a look, they look kind of cool. I mean, the reason I got them is because I haven't been able to secure a pair of foam runners, and I'm not going to pay resale on a pair. These were $100 and looked similar, looked a little bit cool. And I was like, you know what, might as well just go ahead and place the order. As you can see, it's like a bone white, and it kind of, I guess it's supposed to be a jaguar skull. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, it is called a Jag Runner and Fossil, so I mean, I'm assuming. Yeah, they look pretty cool. The inside here, it says KitoWares. I don't see a size on here. No, I'm not really seeing a size anywhere on these, and I even checked the bottom because I saw that it has some text. It says Fossil X KitoWares. Oh, there it is, actually, 11. I thought it was just 2 lines. Look at the other one, it is identical. There's nothing different on this one versus the other shoe. So as you can see right here, size 11. They do have these 2 holes on each side, and then a third one, I guess, up at the front. And you could buy these things that are kind of like the Crocs Gibbets, where it's like fangs, but I don't know why you would put fangs here or here. I went ahead and skipped on the fangs and just got the shoe. They're doing a black one too, I think. But I think I'm just gonna stick with this one, unless I really like these, because the wait time was like 3 months, 4 months. It's kind of a long time. The other one on my foot right now, and it is a little bit big. I'm usually 11 and a half, 12, and I got an 11. So I would definitely size down from what you usually get. I think with the sock, it'd probably be a better fit, but with just my foot, it's a little big. That is gonna be it for this one. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing on these Jag Runners or Fossil shoes. These things are pretty cool. A lot of people in their comments complaining about the shipping times and stuff like that, but they were pretty spot on. I mean, they did say September. It is about to be October, but I mean, they did meet their shipping time. That is gonna be it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys next time.